Hello everyone, welcome to Automation Community. In this session, we are going to see about zonal comparison in Omron PLC. So before entering into the topic, kindly like and subscribe our channel for more videos. So this is the last instruction we are going to see in comparator. So just see that you can see in data compare there is a zonal compare here, ZCP, area range compare, or else it's also called as area range compare or zonal compare. Okay, just take this and just click OK. So now let's see, this is also an output instruction. Okay, so block compare is also the output instruction and this is also the output instruction. So this is having three variables. One is compare word. This is like a source, which one you want to compare, that value you have to give in the compare word. And there is lower limit of range and another one is upper limit of range. So lower limit of range is like what is the minimum value you want to compare. For example, if you want to maintain the temperature between 90 and 100, so you can give the lower value as 90 and upper value as 100. You have to give the exact temperature value in the compare word address. Okay, so I'll explain you with this. Take one input condition, connect the rung. Now need to give the value for all these three. So what I'm going to do, I want to put that as a variable. So I'm giving the variable address D0, D1 and D2, all are 16-bit. Alright, so it's connected. Okay, so just go online. So all are having 0 now. So now what I'm going to do, let's imagine the temperature transmitter value is 70. Okay, now what is the minimum range you want? 90. And what is the maximum temperature you want to maintain, which is 100. Okay, now the value is 70 and the minimum 90, maximum 100. Now turn on your condition. So now this zonal is comparing and giving the output. So how to get the output from zonal comparator? So for that we can make use of some system contacts. So just go for normal contact and drop down this box, combo box. You can see less than, see, this is PLT, that means less than. See, so this block output can be used as a contact here. So this is a system contact. Okay, this is not having any address and all. Since we have used this block before, it will be comparing the previous rung comparison it will do. Okay, this is a generalized one, it's not having any address. So what this instruction will do, it will compare the previous rung comparison result and show that here. That's it. So let's put one address here, 100.0. I'm giving that as low temperature. Okay, so just go for online. So yes, the temperature is not in range. If it is below means we will be getting this output. So just turn on now. Can you able to see your output is on low temperature? Imagine this is a LED, which LED is on. Why? Because the current temperature is 70 but the required is 90 to 100. So it is a low temperature only, no, it is below 90, that's why it is on. Let's make this to 95. So this is within the range. See, your low temp is off. So to see this particular output, now it is in a current correct temperature, right? How to see that? And what if it is exceeding 100? It will be the temperature. For that also we want a LED indication, right? So how to get that means same like this we can get the block instruction for or the contact for equal and greater than. So we'll add the same. You can see equal, P equal, take this and take one more contact which is for P greater than PGT. Click OK and take two more outputs, 100.01 which is temperature, OK, and one more output here for high temperature, right, 100.02 which is high temp. That's it. So let's go for the simulation. So now what is the value we have given here, which is 120, right? So it should be the high temperature. So we have to turn on the last input, see, high temp. Okay, the LED, this particular output is on, so you have to see that it is on. Now put that back to 95. So this is within range. So that time the high temperature LED is off and temperature OK is on now. Correct now? So let's turn off this to 56, turn down, make the temperature down. So which is below 90. So it is comparing the range between 90 to 100. If it is between 90 to 100, it is equal. For example, make 90, then it will be equal. Okay. If it is 100, that is also equal. Correct. If you make this to 101, then that will be high. Even 1 is also high. If it is 89, then it will be low. Understand? What if I give the point value? It will not accept because it is a 16-bit. Alright. So that's it about the zonal comparator. So along with this, we have one more instruction which is for the 32-bit. So not only for this zonal, we have for, see, if you go for the data compare, no, you can see this is for floating point. This is for this you can give the floating point input. So like that you have for 32-bit you have. This is long area range compare. Okay. So for this you can give the decimal value. You can practice this. So what all the instruction we have seen in our classes are for integers and word. So if you want to use the floating point comparison means you have to put the respective block. Alright. So I hope you have understand the concept. I will meet you in the next session with another interesting topic. Thank you.